Okay, we will continue the video for level number 10, tutorial for URC 2022. Okay, for this level number 10 is a revision for you from the previous lesson. So you just need to familiarize with the servo motor, how to control your movement of the robot. Okay, and if you look at this map, okay, there is a few obstacles that you need to pass through. Okay, the first one is actually the group of snakes, and then you have a earth stone here, and then you have a ghost here, and also the LED door. So you need to follow what is the requirement for you to pass through all these things. Right, I will just straight away teach you on how to write the program. Okay, first of all, make it your robot to move forward and stop in front of the snakes. Okay, in front of the snakes. Don't forget to brake. And how to move away the snakes, you need to use a play sound of A and B key. Okay, A and B key. Right, and then after that, put a weight block also. Right, this one 3.5. Just set 3.5. 3.5 moving forward, and then after moving forward and move away these snakes, okay, you need to turn to the left side. How to turn to the left side? Okay, let me teach you on how to turn to the left side. Okay, this one I will just use negative 32, and then this one just now I put 2.3. For this one I put negative 31. Okay, right, let's see what happened. Moving straight for 3.5 seconds and stop in front of the snakes and play sound of A and B key. Okay, so I already move away the group of snakes, and then my robot is turning to the left side. 31 degree for 2.3 seconds. Okay, so this one I will change to 2.2. Let's see what happened, because seems like my robot cannot collect the portion after turning, so I need to change the number of seconds first for the turning to the left side. Okay, 31st second and 2.2 second is just nice. Alright, next one. I will make my robot to move forward and collect the portion until here. But you need to be careful, not touch or hit the earth stone. Okay, or else you will reset to the original position. Okay, next one. This one, move forward, give power, give direction, and put a weight block and brake. How many seconds for moving forward here? So just set the value of 3.9 of 4. Okay, 3.9 of 4. And then after my robot collect all this portion and stop here, I want my robot to move backward here until here. Okay, so I will put another one backward. Okay, backward I want to make it straight. Make it straight is still 0 degrees. Okay, 0 degrees. Okay, how many seconds backward? So I will just put 2.4 seconds. Right, this one. Okay, move forward to 3.5 and then play A and B key notes to move away the snakes, and then turn left negative 31 degrees 2.2 seconds, and then moving forward 3.9 seconds. Oh, okay, this one is not enough, so 2.3. Okay, 2.3. Okay, it is better for you to brake every time one movement that you did, because it will make your more stable. Okay, right. Moving forward 3.9 seconds. And oops, I forgot to put this. I forgot to put CCW. CCW means backward. Okay, CCW is counterclockwise direction, so your robot will go to the backward movement. Okay, after backward, I want my robot to facing to this road and collect the I will show you what we have here. Okay, collect this, the key portal opener. Okay, the key portal opener. Right, moving backward 2.4 seconds, and then take this one. Okay, turn to the right. Okay, this is a tips for you. Okay, this is a tip for you. If let's say that you are currently moving backward, you are using CCW and you want to turn to the right side, this will be opposite to what you have in CW moving forward. Okay, so this one will be negative 32 degree, 35 degree, and then this one CCW, still CCW. Okay, because I want my robot to reverse and turn at the same time. That's why we use CCW. And then this one will be opposite as usual that you use in CW. Okay, in CW, if you want to turn right, you have a positive value, but this one is CW. But when you use CCW, this one must be opposite, which this degree have a negative value. Right? How many seconds for turning to the right? So I will put 1 second here, and then I want my robot, okay, accurately facing to the monster. I mean, for this on this side. So take new one, this one, forward, this one, with block and break. Right, this one. This one, I want my robot to slightly turning to the right, but in a CW direction. Why CW? Now, my robot is facing to this side. I will show you later. Right, this one facing to the right side for 2 seconds. Let me show you. Okay. Moving forward 3.5 seconds to the front. And then moving backward negative 35 degrees 1 second. And at the same time turning to the right. Okay. So now my robot turning to the right and move forward. Okay, for 2 seconds. For 2 seconds. See? Right. Now, what you need to do is, in order for you, okay, this one is turn right at the same time moving forward. That's why we use CW and positive value. Moving forward at the same time, slightly turning to the right, then it will give you a positive value and CW here. Alright, this one, how to move away the ghost. You need to blink the LED, red and blue. Red and blue LED alternate. Okay, so red first, and then red on, 1 second off, and then blue on. Okay, 1 second off. Okay, so like this. But I want to choose 0.5 interval. Okay, it's up to you. As for me, I like to use the 0.5 second for the time interval for the blink, for the LED blink. Alright, next one. I want to move my robot forward to collect this key portal opener. So this one is going forward. So this one will be straight, 0 degrees. So this one, How many seconds for moving forward? How many seconds for moving forward is 1.5 second. I will just set 1.5 second, and then I want my robot to moving backward until here. So moving backward, take another one set of the programming, give power, this one CCW, and how many seconds for moving backward? Don't forget to break. Okay, how many seconds is 2.3 seconds? Okay. 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 Right. Collect next energy portion. Okay. Okay. Blink the LED. Okay. Red and blue alternate. No need to use a repeat block because only need to blink these two colors one time. And going backward, right? Going backward 2.3 seconds. And then after that, what I want my robot to do is, I will make my robot to turn to the right side. Okay, to turn to the right side. This one, give power back, CW, and wait block, and break. Okay, as I said just now, if let's say that the previous action you are in the CCW, when you want to turn to the right, okay, when you want to turn to the right, so you need to have opposite instruction. For example, if you want to move to the right side, this one must be negative. This one 100, but this one you change to CCW. Only allow for the CCW if you want to switch the condition of this positive or negative degrees. Okay, this one I put 2 seconds, and then once I turn to the right side, okay, I want it will reverse at the same time turning. It will reverse at the same time turning. So means that my robot will facing to this side. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Right. Going backward. Okay. Going straight and slightly turning to the right for 3 degrees here. Okay, and blink the LED to move away the ghost, and then collect the key portal energy here, key portal door energy, and then going backward for 2.3 seconds, and turn to the right, then my robot is facing to this side. Okay, my robot is facing to that side. All right, next one. Okay, too much turning just now. I will just change the value 3, negative 33. And this one I want to reduce to 1.7. Okay, moving backward. Negative 33 degree. Okay, seems like this one is too much turning. So this one I will reduce to 1.3. Let's see. This one negative 30. Okay. Take or collect the portal door key opener. Going backward. Reverse enter negative 30 and then 1.3 second. Okay, this one is just nice. Alright, next one is my robot is going to the right side. So I will put this. Second and brake. How many seconds for turning to the right? You need to check first. Okay, you need to check if let's say this one you want slightly turning or sharp turning. So I choose to put 40. Okay, 40. But I want my robot to use a lower power. Okay, because as you can see there is no space for me to straight away turn to the right side, so you need to slow down the power and then increase the number of degrees. Okay, how many seconds? 3.3 for example. Okay. This lesson is for you to revise how to use the servo motor. Okay, you need to control the angle of the servo motor. Okay, and then revise for you, do a revision on how to use a keynote. Okay, to chase away or to move away the snakes, and also how to use the LED blink. If let's say that the tutorial said that you need to use a repeat blink, 3 times blink for the LED, then you need to use a repeat block. But for this level, you don't have to repeat 3 times for LED blink to move away the ghost. So you just blink 1 time. But you need to alternate the color of the LED, which is for the red and for the blue. Okay, for the red and for the blue LED. Right. Okay, this one. This one. Okay. This one I want to add more for this. 41 for example. Okay, then I want my robot to move forward and stop in front of the LED door. Okay, give power back, CW, and wait block, and brake. Yeah, how many seconds for moving forward? Yeah, how many seconds for moving forward? I just put 0 and 1 second. Okay, and then stop, and you need to blink the LED door here. The LED door, the only one you need to put a repeat block. So this one 3 times. This LED door is red in color, so you need to blink 3 times the red LED on and off. Okay, don't forget to put the wait block in between the blocks. Okay, the time interval, it's up to you. For me, 0.5 is enough for you to blink the LED door. Okay, and then this one, once you pass through the LED door, I want my robot to move forward and stop around here. Okay, before I'm turning my robot to the right side and go to the bottom. Okay, I will just this one, just do the program for moving forward. Okay, and then this one, wait, how many seconds after pass through the LED, how many seconds to move until here is 1.5 seconds. I just estimate 1.5. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay. To move away the snakes, you need to use A and B key note sound. Okay, A and B key note sound. One time only. Play the sound. Okay. Okay, to move away the ghost, again, LED blink, blue, red and blue alternate, only one time. Right? And then collect the portal door key opener. Right. Turn right. And going straight, stop at LED door. Blink the LED door for 3 times. Okay, this one I need to add more because too far from the door. So maybe I will put 1.1 or 1.2. Okay, and then check first. As you can see that every movement that I do for my programming, I have a break. Means I use a complete set of programming, which is you have a power, you have a servo motor angle, you have a CW direction, you have a weight and the brake. Okay, portal door key opener. Okay, moving forward, and my robot is closer to the LED door. Okay, this one I forgot to put a power. Right, this one not enough, 1.3, and this one slightly turn to the right side, maybe 3 or 2. Okay, Okay, this one, because the map have more junction or more items to collect, so it will take more time for you to complete the map, okay, the mission. As long as you familiarize with all the uh, the programming concept. If let's say that you want to make it simple, then you can find your own way to make it the programming simple, right? For the first timer, it is advisable for you to follow the basic programming, which is the basic programming that I said to you just now. You need to have a lot of breaks for every time your every movement of your robot. Okay. Okay. Open and move forward for 1.5 seconds. Just now, my robot cannot move because I forgot to put a power here. So that's why you need to check. You put a power, you put a direction, the weight block, and also the brake. Okay, next one. I want my robot to turn to the right side. Okay, to turn to the right side. Give back the power, CW, weight block. Okay, CW, weight block, and brake. Okay, how many seconds for CW? This one 25 degrees, okay, for 1.5 seconds. And then once turning to the right side, okay, I want my robot to turn slightly again for the right side. Okay, so that I want my robot to fully facing to the portal door. So another one set of the programming. So you cannot straight away to put maybe 90 or 60. No, slowly put step by step, okay, to check. So it is actually better for you to split, okay. This one turning, this one split, and turning another one turning split, because you can adjust the value if let's say that there is a mistake. Okay, this one also 25. Just put 25. This one another 1.5 second. Okay. This one I think one only. Okay, let's see. Is it necessary for me to put another one time of turning? Or I will just straight away moving straight go inside the portal door. Okay. It's okay. Maybe you take more time for complete this level. As long as you really understand the concept. That's fine. Okay. And every time you do the practice, please make sure that you get 100. Okay. Please try to get 100 marks, because it is better for you to get a full mark, so that it means that you fully understand the concept on how to write the programming. Okay. Okay, turn right 25 degrees for 1.5 second. Right. Okay, actually, I don't need to turn right here, 25. Just straight away go inside the portal door. Okay, so instead of the last set of the 25, you can set for 0 degrees. Okay, that's all for lesson number 10. So I hope that you can complete this level and try to do it first, okay, slowly, and try to get the full mark. Alright, thank you.